You need to start provoking people to buy. Yes, provoke, because look at, if you don't do that as a business owner, your next sponsored ad is going to be like the other ones, wasted money. Imagine an ad that makes people feel bitter or excited or confused. Yes, confused, or even envious, or even pompous. You know what? Enough of the talk. Let me give you an example. Like this, your skincare that you sell. What if you get a girl who holds a phone, okay, talks to the camera, is talking to the camera, and then the first thing that comes out of her mouth is, how can a girl hate mirrors? That's what my ex asked me the day I told him how acne scars dealt with me. God, I truly hated mirrors. She's continuing now. Now look at. She brings out a sack, a small nylon sack or something, with packs or cans of different skincare products. And then as she's bringing it up, she's saying, waiting and no try. And then she dips her hand inside the sack and she brings one can. And then she says, I bought this one, I think in June. Nothing. Boom, she throws it back. Picks another one. This one even made it worse. One morning, after my prayers, the very first video I saw on my FYP was a woman dragging skincare vendors. She said that she suffered a lot until she finally found a product that worked for her. My spirit said, message this woman. So I did, and then she graciously sent me the vendor's IG, and that is this product. You know what? Let me turn to the camera and provoke the people listening to me to allow me teach them how to do this for their businesses. If you sabi this art thing the way I sabi am, people will move from swiping when they see your videos to, wait, what is this? To, please confirm my payment. But the problem is, you know sabi am, but I do, and I can teach you. But if I don't, you continue to boost those videos that are so weak and emotionless that they cannot even sell water to people in the desert. Okay, that's a bit extreme, but you get what I mean. Or you will pay a guru who will teach you the best interest to select or the best budget to use. There's a link or a button around this video. Click on it and come inside. Look, in the very first class, your old videos will embarrass you, and you would probably just be shouting, no wonder. I don't want to order you around, but you see this system? You have to get it. Click on the link or the button around this video. Go get it today. You hear?